Hey guys, Wednesday. Another episode, another portion of the garage rebuilt. There you go. 6 times, yes. Okay, good. Today, you've already noticed the back wall behind me. Not this back wall, that back wall. This back wall. It's been cleared a little bit. Why? Because I'm gonna tackle something I saw. Mine's gonna be a little bit smaller and probably less professional. Okay, come on, let's get this straight, okay? Everybody that I watch, they're pros. I'm just a hobbyist screwing around. All right, so I'm not sure if I actually mentioned what the project is for this Wednesday, hump day. It's gonna be a wood rack. So I saw this on a YouTube channel that I watch called Michael Builds. I'm just building a little 4-foot rack because I just want to get the wood that I have stored underneath the bench top area that I gotta dismantle to rebuild. So I want to move it over there. And hopefully in the future, I won't need the rack. God, that sounds great. So 80 years from now. Sorry. So let's get to it. I'm gonna cut some wood. I'm gonna try and figure out how to tilt this drill press to the 15-degree angle that I need. If not, I'll quit a gym. One of those things. So let me just get going and get a drink. I'm not alcoholic still, because still not drinking. So you're asking yourself, well, what was that time lapse? It's a little jig that I'm building for my drill press over there because I can't seem to find the correct key or size of wrench to loosen the bolt to tilt it at the 10-degree angle. So I'm going to just put a 10-degree angle on the jig and clamp it on the drill press and then just drill the holes for the 3/4 inch pipe. Sounds simple, right? I know, it doesn't. But that's me. Overcomplicate things. And then just do it. Because you have to. So anyways, without further ado, let's get back to watching whatever I'm doing. Oh, and just in case I didn't mention it, today's sponsor is Watered Down V8. Splash, that is. Because still not drinking. But in my mind, that's a Bloody Mary right there. A naked Bloody Mary. But just roll with it, right? And, oh yes. I can smell the beach right now. Hi there, folks. Welcome back. Yes, Mr. Impulse did take over. And I just painted over that area. You can still see it right there. I can still see it. I don't know if you can still see it. Who cares? They're up. You know what? The wall does look good once it's painted. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the conduits, put them on the wall, and start transferring the wood. That'll be fun. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm calling it a day. I'm dirty, sweaty, still hot outside, but the garage is pretty cool actually. It's like a nice 78 degrees. I'll figure out what to do with that wood later on when I get to that rebuilding this section of the bench. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day like I said. Take a shower, go inside, chill out. Catch up on whatever shows on. Ooh, Forged in Fire was last night. I gotta watch that. But mostly clean up because I feel dirty as hell. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is gonna be segments of episodes. Some of them will be short, some of them will be long, like this one. I'm sorry about that. Okay, it happens. Until next time.